In this video, you will learn how to list multiple offers on Allegro at once from a file that does not use macros. However, it is good to consider whether you really don't want to use them. Macros are special programs in the spreadsheet that allow you to quickly and conveniently verify the correctness of offers in the file. We will tell you about how to list from a file that uses macros in another video. To watch it, click the link in the description. First, download the template and fill it out with new offers. Open the My Allegro menu and click List from File. Next, click I do not have a file. First, select the categories and subcategories you want to use while listing. Let us assume that you want to list wooden blocks and dolls. In this case, first choose the Kids category, followed by Toys, and at the end, add both of the following subcategories to the list: Building Toys and Dolls and Accessories. They will appear on the side in the Chosen Categories section. Once you choose the right categories, click Download File with Template. The template has 3 sheets. How to use this file. Instructions on how to complete the template. Read it carefully. Example with data definitions. Here you will find a brief description of each field, accepted values and examples, as well as the required formats in which you need to enter data. Template. This is where you will put information about your offers. Let us move to the sheet with the template. The template is divided into several sections for your convenience. Basic information. Shipping. Ship from. Invoice. Tax parameters. Terms of sales. Additional specifications. Product features. For each section, we have assigned a number of fields in which you need to provide specific data. If you need additional information about a given field, you can hover the mouse over it to see its description. To give you a hint which cells you need to complete, we have marked them with special colors. We have marked the obligatory cells with a red border. You must complete these to be able to make your listing. The white cells are optional. You can complete them but do not have to, although this may help buyers decide to make a purchase. Gray fields are to be left empty. In order for us to be able to display the required and optional cells, start by choosing the relevant main category and leaf category. Choose the matching values for both fields from the drop-down list. In the Product ID field, which allows us to catalog your listed offer, choose an ID we support. The codes we support include EAN, UPC, ISBN, ISSN, as well as our Allegro product IDs. Now you have completed the ID, category, and subcategory, it is time for the remaining fields, that is, reference number, your own offer badge, such as the stock number, useful, for example, when processing orders. The reference number is not visible to buyers. Quantity. Price. Enter the gross amount itself here, without a currency. We treat all prices as provided in PLN. Offer description. If you do not want us to use the product description from the catalog, you can also give us your own text straight away. You can make it even more attractive with HTML or JSON formatting. Formatting that you do not code using HTML or JSON will not be included. This also applies to formatting in the spreadsheet, for example, a new row or bold font. If you complete the field with the description, we will use only your description in the offer. Shipping price list. Here, the drop-down list has all the price lists that you have created to date on Allegro. Dispatch time. Here, enter the time it takes you to give the package to the carrier. Details on the place of dispatch, that is, country, province, if the country of dispatch is Poland, postal code from which you are sending, city, invoice options, return terms, complaint terms, and, optionally, information on the warranty. In each field, select the relevant options from the drop-down list. State of the item you are offering. Complete the data for the rest of the offers you want to list from the file. Place each one in a separate row. That is all we need for now to try to list your offers. If we find products matching the offers in the catalog, we will complete the remaining fields for you. You can now save the file. Remember, when saving, open the file on the template sheet and save it in CSV format. If your spreadsheet program displays several different CSV format types, read our article. You can also find a link to it in the video description. To send the file, go to Allegro and locate it on your hard drive. After processing the file, go to the Reports subpage to check which offers we found in the catalog and which ones need to be corrected or supplemented. If you see Successful, this means that all your offers will soon appear on Allegro. If we are unable to list all offers from the file, we will display the relevant message, partially successful or unsuccessful. To find out which offers were not correctly processed and why, download the report. The report is where we will make and send any changes. You will see a new column, Result. This is where we will place information on how the offer has been processed, and if we need more information. Let us assume that we have not found some of the products you intend to list from this file in our catalog. No problem. If you complete the fields we have highlighted in the report, you can even easily list such offers. In such a case, pay attention to fields such as Offer Title, Images. Paste the internet link to your file here. If you want to use more than one photo, separate the links with a vertical line. The first photo you provide is a thumbnail of your offer. The next field to be completed is the offer description, because for this offer, we have not found a matching product in the catalog whose description we could use. And finally, there are the product features. The set of parameters you see in your file will differ depending on which categories and subcategories you choose when downloading the file. When completing the parameters, pay particular attention to the cell marking. Leave the ones with the gray background empty. The more parameters you complete, the more attractive your offer will be, and the more likely you are to help buyers make an informed purchase. Make changes directly in the report and send the corrected report for reprocessing. Proceed exactly as you did with the first file. Save changes in the report and switch to Allegro. Next, choose the file and go to the Reports tab. This time, all offers were processed correctly and are already available on Allegro. Congratulations!
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.